Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll provide you a two preset actually for the Photoshop and the Lightroom, and you will get this type of vintage look and the arrogant color, which is the posh and trendy for this time, and you can use that preset for your photography editing purpose. Whatever it is Photoshop or Lightroom, whatever it is, I'm providing you the XMP file for the preset, and you can use that things in a Photoshop and Lightroom as well. And let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first I'll go to the home, and here was the photo. So I downloaded this one from pixels.com, and I'll provide you the download link of this photo or photo credit in my video description. Press Ctrl or Command J, and after that I will import that preset. Go to the filter and camera filter, and if you have no camera filter plugins, please check out my video description for the download link. I'll giving you over there the download link, and you have to install it manually. And here is a load settings options, and that preset I made it for you guys, and that is the dark red, and load it up. And after that you are getting this type of effects, and which is the moody type effects, and it's giving you the extra mood or extra posh look in your photographs. So what I have done here, let's see. The temperature -2 and the highlight that is -88. If you need to change the highlight of your according to your photographs, you have to change it out. And one thing is that these photographs and your photographs couldn't be same, and light and other steps, you have that assumption to change it up. If you need, you can change the exposure. Suppose you need to change the exposure, you can do that. And highlights as well. And whites 0, and here the shadow +17, and blacks +2, texture +8, and the clarity +10, and dehaze +20, vibrance, that is the midtone, +8. If you need, you can change it up. You have that assumption to change it out. And here the tone curve, here the tone curve I made it like this. So here I stock like that, lock like 2, input value 2 and output value 35, and input value here 79 and output value 76. If I go to the red portion, no change. Over here in a green portion, no change, and blue, no change. That means I just change over here and only the RGB point. And after that, the detailing options, amount of detailing 25, and the radius, that is 1, detail 25. That means the how amount I have given over here, it's working with the detail. That means, and the noise reduction 28 for the luminance, and the luminance detail 50%, and rest of the thing is 0. And after that, the hue, saturation, luminance, this panel I change it out two things, that is the hue of the aqua and blue I change it, that is minus value, aqua is -36 and blue -11. For here you are getting this type of look. And the red, I just made the red 15 +15. If I make it like that, it will be like pink type. So I don't want to do that. I want to get this one a little bit like orangish. And the saturation, I didn't touch that. Luminance, that's good. And now I'll go to the split toning portion. Split toning, you know, the highlight color and the shadow color, and it contains with the here the highlight color 167 and the saturation 9, and the shadow color, that is 240, and the saturation value, that is 8. That means from the hue you are getting the value of the color, and saturation you are getting the percentage of the color. So same to same in a highlight portion, no lens correction issues over here, no effects. And calibration portion, I changed the red primary color -4 only, and rest of the thing is 0 and unchanged. And hit the OK button. You're getting the change, the before one, traditional photo and nice photo, and after adding the preset you are getting like that. So go to the filter, select this layer, and go to the filter and Nik Collection and Color Effects Pro 4. So this one is another plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. From here I'm using the cross processing. Here lots of preset actually. From here lots of method over here. Which one is perfect for your photographs, I don't know, and you have to choose out for this. In this case I'm using the C04 or like L03, whatever it is. I think this one is good for this. Okay, I'm choosing this one. And here is the strength portion. If you need, you can change the strength or percentage of the filter and hit the OK button. It's taking time to load it up and providing you the final output, and it's giving you the final output like that. Before one was like that and after one like that. So let's try this preset to another photo. So I'm going to the home again, and here is the photo. And after that press Ctrl or Command J for the new copy of this layer, filter and camera filter. From here I have another preset which is the like dark red 2 and load it up. So what I have changed in this preset, I changed something here the texture. I added some texture +8 and clarity +10 and dehaze +20 and vibrance and saturation, and two things I just changed over here, and the contrast as well. The highlight I made it more down, that is -88%, and the shadow 17 and blacks -17. So these two things I made it like reverse or vice versa. Shadow is +17 and blacks -17. You can do that, it's totally fun and it's working. And the tone curve I didn't change, and the split toning or detailing, here is the detailing portion, sharpening and noise reduction I didn't change. And here hue saturation, from here I changed the orange. I made the orange luminance, that means the intensity of the color, just because of the face color. If you make it like this, the face will be more prominent or the color will be more prominent. And from here I used split toning, change the color, that is the 167 for the highlight color. And here I didn't change anything, rest of the thing is done and same actually, and hit the OK button. Okay, fine. And after that I'll go to the filter and Nik Collection and Color Fix Pro, and for this photo I will add another preset from the here like Nik Collection. I'm using the cross processing and method. Which method you want to use? C04, it should be C04 or like C04 is good for this photo, and hit OK. So it's giving you the extra look or extra posh look for these photographs. So before one and after one, you are getting a nice look and a warm look actually. So before this image was like that, and this image is like that. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you want to get the download link of the preset and other stuff, please check out my video description. And if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.